It's a perfect Saturday. Sunny skies, birds singing, and the open road calling. Today, we're leaving Nairobi behind for a classic Kenyan adventure, the road trip to Naivasha. Forget city chaos. This journey is about fresh air, stunning views, and a sense of freedom. Whether you're with family, friends, or solo, this trip is for you. Picture rolling down your window, feeling the breeze, and watching Nairobi's skyline fade into green hills. The Nairobi to Naivasha drive is more than a commute. It's a rite of passage, a feast for the senses, and a chance to slow down. You'll see acacia trees, hear local chatter at roadside stops, and maybe taste some legendary Nyama choma. No need for weeks of planning or a big budget, just pack up and go. This guide is your co-pilot, covering the best routes, what to pack, and where to stop for unforgettable moments. So buckle up, turn up the music, and let's make memories on the road to Naivasha. The adventure starts now. Let's hit the road. What makes the Nairobi to Naivasha road trip a favorite? It's the perfect distance, long enough to feel like an escape, short enough for a day trip. The highlight, the jaw-dropping Great Rift Valley viewpoint. The landscape opens up, revealing a vast valley and endless sky. This drive is a chance to disconnect from routine and reconnect with nature, fresh air, sunshine, and stress melting away. It's accessible to everyone. Any car will do, and you can keep it budget-friendly by packing snacks or stopping at local eateries. The journey brings people together, families, students, travelers, all sharing the road and the experience. And the destination? Naivasha, a lakeside town buzzing with activity and relaxation. Take a boat ride to see hippos, walk among giraffes on Crescent Island, or just unwind by the water. From campsites to hotels, there's something for every traveler. The Nairobi to Naivasha trip is a complete package: scenic drive, amazing stops, and a beautiful destination. It's a Kenyan classic for a reason. Start the engine and let the adventure unfold. This is a journey you'll want to repeat. Ready to choose your route? The main Nairobi-Nakuru Highway, a 104, is fast and smooth, perfect for a quick, easy drive. Want more scenery? Take the Limuru route through lush tea plantations and rolling hills. It's slower, but the views are worth it. Feeling adventurous? The Ngong Hills back road is rough and wild, best for 4x4s and thrill seekers. Each route offers a unique slice of Kenya: urban, rural, or rugged. Decide what kind of adventure you want: efficiency, beauty, or off-road excitement. No matter your choice, every road leads to Naivasha's magic. The journey is yours to shape. Which path will you take? Before you go, let's pack smart. Essentials: phone, charger, or power bank. Your lifeline for photos, music, and navigation. Bring snacks and drinks for the ride. Think water, juice, crisps, and fruit. A cooler bag keeps things fresh. Weather can change fast, so pack a light jacket, sunglasses, and a hat. Don't forget a killer playlist. Music sets the mood for the road. Safety first. A small first aid kit, spare tire, jack, and wheel spanner. Check your car's basics: fuel, oil, tire pressure, before you leave. These simple steps mean less stress and more fun. With your essentials ready, you're set for a smooth adventure. Preparation is key to a great trip. Let's get rolling. The real magic is in the stops along the way. First up, the Great Rift Valley viewpoint. Snap photos, soak in the view, and browse local crafts. Next, Mount Longonot National Park. Hike to the crater rim for epic 360-degree views. Closer to Naivasha, Fisherman's Camp offers lakeside relaxation and fresh fish under shady acacias. Once in Naivasha, don't miss Crescent Island Game Sanctuary. Take a boat ride, then walk among zebras, giraffes, and wildebeest. No predators, just pure wildlife wonder. Each stop is a chance to stretch, explore, and make memories. Whether you're hiking, eating, or just gazing at the scenery, these moments are what you'll remember. The journey is as special as the destination. Take your time, enjoy every stop, and let the adventure surprise you. This is where stories are made. Capture them all. Your road trip is a collection of unforgettable moments. Make each one count. A few quick tips for a hassle-free trip. Always carry your ID or passport. Checkpoints are common. Fuel up in Nairobi for better prices and peace of mind. Double-check your car's tire pressure, oil, and water before you go. A cooler box keeps snacks fresh. A portable jump starter can save the day. Seat cushions and a dash cam add comfort and fun. Stay flexible. Detours and roadside markets can lead to unexpected adventures. Chat with locals, try new foods, and embrace the journey. Drive safe, be patient, and enjoy every moment. The best memories are often unplanned. Let the road surprise you. That's your guide to the Nairobi-Naivasha road trip, a simple, beautiful adventure within reach. We've covered routes, packing, must-see stops, and pro tips. This journey is about laughter, discovery, and pressing pause on daily life. Now it's your turn. Take the trip, make it your own, and share your stories. Find your favorite spot, meet new friends, and watch the sunset over the lake. The road is calling. Will you answer? Until next time, keep exploring and keep smiling. The adventure is out there. Go find it.